X versus Bird. DranDagger 460 Rush. This attack type Beyblade can constantly perform an extreme dash to land attacks on its opponent continuously. Versus HellsChain 560 High Tapered. This balance type Beyblade can use its chain-shaped blade to attack when it's low and defend when it's standing tall. The first to 12 points is your winner. The first battle.
2, 1, let it rip.
Wow! DranDagger starts off strong with a burst finish. The second
3,
battle.
2, 1, let it rip.
Oh! DranDagger once again takes the victory with an over finish. The third
3,
battle.
2, 1, let it rip.
Oh! HellsChain performs a powerful attack on DranDagger and gets 3 points with an extreme finish. The fourth battle.
1, let it rip.
HellsChain starting off with some strong attacks. Both bays are losing stamina. And surprisingly, DranDagger is the one that wins with a spin finish.
3,
The fifth battle.
1, let it rip.
Oh, big hit from HellsChain. Both bays are going back and forth. But this time, HellsChain is the one that wins with a spin finish. The
3,
sixth battle.
2, 1, let it rip.
Oh, DranDagger lands a powerful blow. Oh, DranDagger using its barrage attack, and it gets another spin finish. The seventh
3,
battle.
2, 1, let it rip.
Damn! HellsChain tried to use an extreme dash, but DranDagger knocked it out instead, winning with an extreme finish.
3,
The eighth
2,
battle.
1, let it rip.
DranDagger's coming in hot with some heavy attacks. But HellsChain defended them all and wins with a spin finish.
3,
The ninth battle.
1, let it rip.
Boom! With powerful attacks, HellsChain gets another extreme finish. The
3,
10th battle.
2, 1, let it rip.
Oh, big blows. HellsChain coming with some powerful counterattacks. And it gets another spin finish.
3,
The 11th
2,
battle.
1, let it rip.
Both bays are incredibly fast. And DranDagger's barrage attack allows it to win with another spin finish.
3,
The 12th battle.
1, let it rip.
So fast and oh! DranDagger takes it with another burst finish. DranDagger 460 Rush is your winner of today's battle. These two bays were pretty insane as they're incredibly fast and were able to land some pretty vicious attacks, making this a very exciting battle. Hope you enjoyed this one, and see you next time for more Beyblade X battles. Looks like you made it to the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like, make a comment, and consider subscribing to my channel. And if you do, hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.